Hello YouTubers, today's project we will be hooking up our brand new dryer to the new outlet. And the biggest thing when you buy the cable, because as you probably know, every dryer comes without the cable, because some houses have a different outlet. So the biggest thing is actually to pick up the right plug. So you have to check your house. By the time this video will be posted, 10 years from today, could be different plug, but anyway, you have to check the plug in your wall, and then you go from there, basically buy a correct one. And you could buy it in a hardware store. Mine is 6 feet long. It should be well enough. You don't want it much longer than that, because when you slide the dryer against the wall, then you're gonna have a whole bunch of extra cable to hide, which is gonna be kind of inconvenient. So every dryer will be a little bit different, but it's gonna be always something like that, a door for the easy access. So you unscrew this screw over here, and in my case there's the area, you gotta slide it up and pop it out, and that's your connections over here. There is obviously sharp edges over here. You're gonna have to replace the door, so you don't hook it up just over here. You have to slide it through this hole. When you remove the cover, you just connect red with red, white with white, black with black. One thing to pay attention is this little diagram over here. It depends if you install in the 3-wire cable or 4-wire cable. So in my case, I'm doing 4-wire cable. So this white wire, as you can see, it's coming attached to the ground. If you're doing 3-wire cable, that white wire stays over here on the ground, right here. If you are doing 4-wire cable, like in my case, the ground green wire from the cable need to be attached to the ground post, which can be done either here or over here. It doesn't really matter. You just check on this ground sign. You can always find it over here. But the white wire need to be reattached together with this wire, like it shows over here on this diagram. That's what I'm gonna do next. So disconnecting this white wire from the ground, bending it away, and installing the green wire from the cable on this ground spot. Making sure it's tight. Attaching these 2 white wires together, and the last is black wire. So it's gonna look something like that. So now we're just gonna secure the cable over here, and you actually want to shove it inside, so the clamps actually squishing the insulation. Those wings actually goes on the inside, and it doesn't matter, it can be vertical or horizontal, it's just whatever you prefer. That way everything is sturdy over here. Now we're just replacing this plate. That's it, and that's how you hook up the cable to your dryer. And obviously the last touch, it's a 4-inch exhaust. You can buy it the same way on in any hardware store. Obviously you can stretch it to reach your dryer. Plug in and tie for the test. So here's the test. Plug in. The light is on. Let's just hold to start. It's working. Pause. So that's how you hook up the electric dryer, and really the hardest part is actually to shove it in to make that exhaust hose to collapse evenly. Other than that, nothing too complicated. Thank you for watching.